Another question of sketching a possible graph of a function so that we have all these conditions. So let's go ahead and get to work. I will put down the answer that I have for you guys right here. And keep in mind, this is just a possible answer. If your answer looks a little bit different, then it's okay. First, we have the limit as x approaching 2. So we are talking about 2. So that says right here. And perhaps I'll just make it more clear by putting down a vertical dash line here. And we see that the limit is negative infinity. And we do not have plus or minus. That means both directions. So I will just make sure that we have a curve that goes straight down like this. And then also straight down like this. Right? So we have a vertical asymptote when x is at 2. Okay, next, the limit as x approaching positive infinity, we get positive infinity. So that means when x is going far away to the right, it actually goes up. There's no boundary, there's no there's no horizontal asymptotes. So for this, I think I'm just going to extend it like this, maybe. Yeah, somewhat like that. Just make sure that you clearly indicate that the function is going upward, right? Okay, so that will satisfy this. Next, the limit as x approaching negative infinity, we get 0. But you know, before we do this one, we should actually look at this and look at that. Because we are talking about when x is approaching 0 plus. 0 plus, okay, here is 0. 0 plus is when we approach 0 from the right-hand side. The limit is equal to infinity. So we will actually have to kind of just curve up like so. And there is a vertical asymptote right here as well, right? You can emphasize it, but the reason I cannot really do the vertical asymptote is because it happens to be on the x-axis. But anyway. On the other hand, when x is approaching 0 minus, we have negative infinity. So we actually have something like this, maybe. So just go down like this. All right? So this part is for this. Lastly, let's come back here. The limit as x approaching negative infinity, we get 0. So we will have to just approach 0, meaning the x-axis. So it will be like this. And in fact, you can kind of go up and then come back down and approach it. It's okay. But this is pretty good in my opinion. That's it.